What a hero! Someone wants help! Wait there! Help is on its way!
Somebody save them!
Worry not! Wonder will get us out! Will do! Can't walk! Oh, I want to help, but I just make things worse. I'm not a superhero. I'm just a weakling.
This is an extremely busy day. Box.
Brilliant!
3 cheers for the incredible X.
6.
I said 3 cheers, not...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Fear not. X will save you. Set.
What now?
Run! Help! Help!
X is in trouble. He needs my help. Worry not. This is a job for W. Wet. Hey!
Extraordinary! You're a hero, Wonder.
Just W, actually. I don't think I'll be needing that anymore.
So can I have it?
Oh! 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 What? Oh!
Run!
Oh! 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 Fun! Sun! Oh! 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 G. Oh! Good grief, oh! You've gone all green! Oh, 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 oh! Gosh! Oh, oh! Great! Oh! Oh, 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 oh! Groovy! Red and orange and yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. Red and orange and yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. Goodness! Oh! It's glittering and golden. Let's go and see what it is. Win!
If you're hoping for a win in a sailing
Wind!
You could end up in first place. With the wind in your sails, you know it never fails. You can race from shore to shore.
You can do much more with 4.
Terrific! Excellent! 10. 10 out of 10.
If you want to score a 10, you need to get it right. But when you pitch your
Tent.
it's somewhere safe to sleep at night. You're safe in your tent, you know it's heaven sent. You'll be warm and dry for sure.
You can do much more with 4.
Ram. There's a ram that's trying to ram us and rampage through the camp. We can send him safely on his way if we can build ourselves a ramp. Four saved the day and now the band can play. A friendship is worth more.
We can do much more with 4.
We can do much more with 4. Mist.
If your camp is in a mist, then you must not roam. You know you might get
Lost.
Perhaps it's time to go on home. Can't find your way, we'll get you home today. So make your way down to the shore.
You can do much more with 4. Gulp!
When a problem makes you gulp and you're stranded on the sand, you can get a little help, and soon you'll be back on dry land.
2's company and 3's a crowd, but nobody's keeping score. We're gonna sing it now, we're gonna sing it loud. You can do so much more. Yes, you can do much more with 4. You can do much more with 4.
Is the train late?
According to the timetable, it won't be here for another 2 hours, 12 minutes and 22 tedious seconds.
We can't wait that long. We'll have to try again.
Rain!
Rain? What a pain!
Are we nearly there yet?
No!
Rain. Rain? Try this.
Train!
At last!
Ahar! All aboard, shipmates!
Terrific! Now this is the way to travel.
Wait for me!
Tally-ho! We're off on the trip of a lifetime!
Wait!
Whoops.
Are we nearly?
No!
I was only asking.
Harp!
Is that your card?
No, that's a harp.
Carp! Is this your card?
No, that carp is a fish.
We knew that.
Dark.
Is this your card?
I can't see. It's too dark. Card.
Then this must be your card.
No.
Pardon?
No.
Are you sure?
Nod.
R. K. R. D. Card.
Is this your card?
No. K. R. D. Card.
This one?
No.
Look. Look. Who's this?
Hello. I was just taking some friends for a swim.
Super. You can all come and listen to my lullabies.
A.
Nail.
Now we're in trouble. We needed that nail.
Looks like I'm not going to get there after all.
Of course we will. We mustn't fail. What can we do?
The sun is setting.
A. Hail.
Let's think of something else.
A. Pail. Perfect.
Land.